Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kumsibentawan ay jing hikay sa kipay ba nong shnong ganong ba Shillong, bat kiway ki shnong ki mamarjan, kitkot ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association, harangkat ka jingi tray lang bat ki Borson Siar jong ka East Hills District, haka artarik urisao arjar khat khandai ki lapanlong ya ka jingi ay kijat, daga batam artar iki jabo ki japanya Shilanter ka surok, naduk golfling terter, Shadu State Central Library Shillong. Kani ka sin jam jong ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association kalong shibentaban rakhe ya kalungkho singikha ka ba shispa san posnem jong Mahatma Gandhi hakabala kawe lama daga Deputy Commissioner jong ka East Hills District ka kong Matseudor War Nongbri but working president jong ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association uba John F. Karshiyin. Hagani ka jinya ikjat lawan shimenta dagi officer na kitna terikam baper jong ka Sarkar Jilla bar kontubru ya ki coach bar kinong penya jong ki club ilakai football ka Jilla Meghalaya bar na kiway kitna ilakai sports ka Jilla.
Leader of the nation Mahatma Gandhi ji. So we are here in his memory and actually all over India they are celebrating this day in a very big way to commemorate the 150th anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, and this is a very befitting way to commemorate his birth anniversary. And as Bob finally has mentioned, we follow the route. We say jog, walk, and basically it'll be more walking and picking up trash, and then we are very happy that all of you have come up today. I'm very grateful to all the state associations who has called all invited the members to take part in this program.
Taking it upon themselves the task to ensure that we live as per the ideals of Mahatma Gandhi, which is to have a clean India, a clean Meghalaya, a clean Shillong, and our clean homes. We start from today, and we definitely would like to see that this program continues on a daily basis. This does not end here or does not end only in today, but it has to continue in the days to come. As you see the word plogging, it means that we enjoy ourselves while we jog with enthusiasm and emotions, and at the same time, when we see trash on the road, when we see plastics on the road, especially, we pick them up, put them into trash cans. This will be part of our citizens' mandate, so that we, as a citizen and as a citizens' movement, together we clean our city, we clean our district, we clean our state, we clean our country, so that we can all have a better and cleaner environment.
Happy plogging, everyone. Please see all the dirt, all the trash that you can, and then we'll pick it up and put them into bags, okay?